Hello guys, I am Medhaj Educare and I am welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel Medhaj Educare. So in the last video of our C++ course, we had seen the cout object in the C++. Just we can revise that object in one line. We had used that object for output purpose. So the question arising in your mind is that we had seen for output purpose, but for the input purpose, which object we are going to use in the C++ programming language. So the answer of this question is in this video. So for the input purpose, first of all, we in the C language we are using scanf function. We are using scanf function in the C language, but in the C++ programming language we are using the cin. In the C++ programming language we are using the cin. In the features of C++ video, we had done the comparison between the C programming language and the C++ programming language, and we had note out the major difference between two programming language, that C is a function based programming language. C is a function based programming language, and C++ is object oriented programming language. C++ is an object oriented programming language. So this is the main difference in the C++ and C प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. सो C में सब फंक्शन बेस है तो उसमें फंक्शन ही आएंगे, और C++ ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड है तो उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट जो है, जो ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेशन का एक महत्वपूर्ण पैराडिगम है, वो उसमें इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा. इसलिए वो ऑब्जेक्ट नाम की जो कंसेप्ट है वो C++ में एक मेन कंसेप्ट है. तो ए C और C++ में जो मेन डिफरेंस है वो मेन डिफरेंस यही है. So in the C language, for input purpose we had seen that they are using the scanf function, but in the case of C++ we are going to use the cin object, which is a predefined object. Cin 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 is a predefined object. Then which class it will belongs to, or from which class the cin object is create. So it is created from the class iStream. As in the case of cout we had seen it belongs to class ostream. In the same way, the cin is belong to class cin belongs to class iStream. Cin belongs to class iStream. So this is the somewhat about cin. So in the case of cout, we had seen that it refers to the standard output device, that is a monitor. It gives output on the monitor. But in the case of cin always refers to standard input device. Cin refers to standard input device. And which is a standard input device? It is a keyboard. Standard input device, which is a keyboard. सो जो भी हम इनपुट देने वाले हैं वो कहाँ से देने वाले हैं? कीबोर्ड से. इसलिए कीबोर्ड को कहा जाता है स्टैंडर्ड इनपुट डिवाइस. And both of these ostream and iStream are available in which header file? iostream.h, or we can also write a iostream. Ostream and iStream available in iostream. Cin is available in iostream. Cout is available in iostream. And what is the syntax of cin? Then we are going to see the syntax of cin. Cin का syntax exactly क्या होने वाला है वो हम देखेंगे. Syntax कैसा रहेगा cin का syntax कैसा रहेगा वो हम देखने वाले हैं. Exactly how the syntax of cin. ये जो होगा वो cin का syntax होगा. दिस इज द सिंटैक्स ऑफ cin. अब आपके सामने बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन अराइज होगा कि जो ये ऑपरेटर है ये वाला, जस्ट आई एम जूमिंग इट आउट, दिस ऑपरेटर what we called it as, it is called as extraction operator. extraction operator. What we called it as extraction operator, or we can also call it as input operator. We can also call as input operator, or we can also call it as get from operator. Get from operator, we can also call it as get from operator, or we can also call it as overloaded right shift operator. We can also call it as overloaded right shift operator. We can also call it as overloaded right shift operator. This is about this operator. Now what is the concept of overloaded? We can see in detail in the upcoming video. For that purpose you have to kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon in the front of that subscribe button, so you will get all the notifications related our videos in the notification bar of your particular mobile or laptops. So let us see the example in which way the scene object in C++ will going to work. So let us take an example. Let us take an example related to it. A small example. We are going to see the small example related int a float b, जो इसकी वैल्यू है हम एक्सट्रैक्ट करनी है, इसलिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑपरेटर. एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑपरेटर भी यूज करते हैं. एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑपरेटर सी इन दिस वे वी आर गोइंग टू गेट वैल्यू. बट ये सी लैंग्वेज का यदि हम यहाँ पे विचार करें, या इफ यू थिंक अबाउट द सी लैंग्वेज, देन देयर वाज स्कैनएफ फंक्शन. तो हम कैसा लिखेंगे स्कैनएफ %d. In this way we are going to we were writing in the case of C language. In this way we are writing in the case of C language. So we are seeing the clear difference via these two examples in C and C++ programming languages. So in case of C++ programming languages, the format specifiers are not needed. In C++ format specifier means what? your %d जो दिख रहा है आपको, जो %d दिख रहा है, %f दिख रहा है, इनको क्या कहा जाता है? फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर्स कहा जाता है. और जो ये ऑपरेटर है इसको कहा जाता है एम्परसैंड ऑपरेटर, या आप कह सकते हैं उसको एड्रेस ऑपरेटर. सो दीज टू ऑपरेटर्स, फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर और वी कैन से इट एज कन्वर्जन कैरेक्टर्स, these are not needed compulsorily in the C++ programming language. So you can also read the values of a and b by using a single scene. In this way you can also read the values from a and b using this single a and b. So a and b. Then what is this known as? This concept is known as cascading. Means what is the definition of a cascading? If we are using one insertion or extraction operator, if we are using more than one insertion or extraction operator, when we are using more than one insertion or extraction operator, then it is called as operators, it is called as cascading. क्या बोलते हैं इसे? इस कंसेप्ट को कैस्केडिंग बोलते हैं. So this is all about the C in C++. In the next video we are going to see in details about the IO stream. So kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in the front of subscribe button for getting the notifications of our upcoming video. If you like our videos, kindly press the like button given below the header of our file, And if you have any doubts, you can also put your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you once again.